What's going on, YouTube land? How y'all doing? Hope everybody is well. What do we got today? Today's What Did You Buy Wednesday, and we are sitting out here and we are doing some color sanding and some buffing on the old Cornet. And I thought, well, we better make this video because it is Wednesday. My days are all mixed up. Working this different shift like this, it's taken a little bit of getting used to. But the important thing is that I'm getting some bench time in after work. So I'll quick show you where we're at, and then we'll move over there and I'll show you what we got. We basically got it a week or so ago, but I'll share it with you, and we'll keep this video short. So be right back. Alrighty, as you can see, we've been color sanding and buffing out the old Cornet. It's looking pretty good. I'm digging it. There's a couple spots of dirt in the first layer of clear that I'm not going to be able to get out. I thought it was in like the second or the third coat, but it's in the first one, the mist coat. So I'm just not going to chance it. They don't all have to be perfect, but for the most part, I'm pretty happy with it. So we're going to leave that guy, and we will get back on it. I want to try and get that thing done here really soon. I kind of need it to be completed so we can move on to the next. So let's go over here. Let me pause this. Alrighty, so oops. What did we get? So Hobby Lobby, a couple weeks we announced that there was some discounts, and they have a few kits on clearance. So this was one of them that I picked up, was the Revell 56 T-Bird. I'm not a big T-Bird guy, but for $8 you gotta grab one. You never know these days if there's a group build that's Thunderbird related, so we picked up one of those. We also got they're clearing out the AMT 57 3-in-1 convertible Thunderbird, well, hardtop or convertible, but this one was $7.49, so I figured, well, let's grab that as well. I know a lot of people don't care about AMT stuff, but I actually do like AMT, so we ran with that. And then this Jeep was on clearance for $9.99, so Revell kit. Never built one of these things, but I'm glad that I got one to have in the stash. And you know, like I said, you never know if a group build comes up, and these are kind of those kits for that. Also, I got this really cool letter from my buddy Ryan over at Toasty's Workbench, and I acquired the Rusty Wallace stock car kit that I really wanted. And so he was really kind to gift me some hero cards. So this is really cool. We're definitely going to get some frames for these. These are in really good shape. So that's really cool to get some hero cards. You can never not have enough hero cards. This here is just a portrait of the Days of Thunder. I remember going to that movie when when it first came out as a teenager. Me and my cousin enjoyed the heck out of the fact that there was a race car movie that was made in my timeline of being a child. So that's really cool. Got to get a frame for that. And of course the Days of Thunder 51 Mellow Yellow with the Cold Trickle name on it. Really cool. Always really dug that paint scheme. I think I'm gonna have to do one of those for an RC stock car. That would be really cool to to do the mellow yellow. So thanks again, Ryan, over at Toasty's Workbench. Great channel. Go over there, show him some love. He's always a very strong supporter of my channel and the EMC Livecast channel. Really good friend. I've had the honor to meet him in person at NNL North. Let me flip this back around. Well, that's going to do it. Hope you're all having a great week so far. Like I said, I'm excited to be back at the bench. We are getting some stuff done. Always feels good to get some progress done on these builds. A lot more to come. We got some RC stuff coming. We got a lot of stuff coming. So we just gotta really try to focus on getting some stuff recorded and then drop them videos in here. We're gonna do a lot less editing. We're getting into the summer months. Things are gonna get hectic. Things are gonna get busy. I have a lot of things that I need to get done before Acme. I have a lot of things to get done before NNL North. And the first model show and car show is April 10th. So I have some stuff right now on the bench that needs to get done for that. So we're going to stay busy. Hope you all have a good rest of your week. In case I don't make a video for Saturday, I'm going to try. We're going to just try to focus on getting some stuff done. So I will let you all know if I post something. Until then, we will see you tomorrow night on the EMC Livecast, where we've got lamb chop builds. Our good buddy Dustin, he's going to be our guest, and that should be a good time. We're looking forward to it. It's something, he's been a gentleman that we wanted to get on there for quite some time, and we're glad that we were able to line out the scheduling. So really, really cool. So check out the EMC Livecast tomorrow, 8 Central. 7 Central, 8 Eastern. Like I said, it's been one of those weeks. So, but in a good way, in a very good way. And then we will see you on the next one. If you like this content and you want to see more of this content, RC, the models, slot cars, whatever, stay tuned. Smash that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. And most of all, leave me a comment. I really, really appreciate it. So, see you on the next one, everybody. Peace out.